This is one of the easiest affiliate programs to start making passive income online. In today's video, I will show you how you can earn over $1,000 with this program. It is one of the most widely used AI tools for online advertising because you can generate high-paying creatives with the push of the button. And they also have the best affiliate program, which we will talk about in the second, and Creative. Basically, at creative.ai is a data company whose AI platform has one of the largest database of high converting ad creatives. The only company that can generate conversions focus advertising creatives using artificial intelligence and ad creativity. And it only receives creatives content from all social and display platforms and then generates them. One of the received creatives is analyzed and generates over 80 data points per image. And using data points and creatives performance, they train their unique machine learning model, and then their unique generative AI simply generates high to add quotes, and they rank them based on their predict conversion rate, which is very useful for any business running online paid advertising. And there are literally hundreds of millions of them out there who can take advantage of a tool like this right now. To sign up for a creative advertising program that now pays 30% commissions that require every month, you can scroll to the bottom of the page and then click on affiliate. As you can see, you will be paid 30% recurring commission, and you will also receive an extra $100 for every 10 referred users and for every number for users you refer. The higher because they give you, and also the instant affiliate resources they give us, because it's in their best interest for us to make as many sales as possible and for them to make as much money as possible, so they give us the best sources. What you have to do now to sign up for the affiliate program is click on become a partner here, and it will take you to this page. And here you just want to enter your first name, your email address, enter your brand name. Then you want to give them links to your social media accounts on Instagram or YouTube, or just your website link. Then explain how you want to advertise in the creative affiliate program. As I mentioned before, I will show you different ways to get more sales. After acceptance, you will receive an email from this company at Creativity and just want to contact the email address you have already entered. And then you want to go the link section on the left side. When someone clicks on this link, they can try at Creative for free. Also can get free $500 Google Ads created when you sign up through the link, and you will get affiliate commission every month and get access to their affiliate resources. You can find what you need to get the most sales with your affiliate program just by scrolling to the left. You can find that creative resources here. You can learn their affiliate marketing tips from this link here. So it's all left in the resources section here. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The first source of traffic and the first way you can get self-marketing through affiliate links is to go to Google and search for all kinds of businesses all over the world, because as you said, these businesses are your target audience that will potentially run it, or they already have online ads. Then you can just and them an email which you can create with ChatGPT, and you can also put your link in your text And when the audience clicks on it, they go to the main site, and from the service you will be given a commission if you buy. Find jobs on Google and enter their contact information, then send them the text of your great email. Another way to get free traffic is through a platform called medium.com, and this is a platform that not only has millions of people visiting it every month, so you can get free traffic not only from the platform itself but also from the articles you publish on it. Here you have a chance to rank very high in Google because this is an established domain, so you can publish your articles on this platform absolutely free. Another platform where you can get free traffic is Quora, which is currently visited by over 700 million people every month, and it is a great platform because it is a website where people come to ask and answer different questions for you. You can refer to it. You go to the search bar and you can search for questions that are being asked by small businesses who want to run ads or are already running ads to someone who use a tool like Creative Ads. And after you find people who they ask this question, like how can you increase advertising through Google or whatever, you can just open those questions and then you can write an answer and you can answer those questions and you can explain how they can use creative advertising to get hard conversions, and they can get it for free. $500 in Google as credit if they sign up through your link, and you just have a link for creative ads and you can answer a lot of people on Quora and not only get tons of traffic from yourself, but you might get paid for the answers that you get. Here you get also chance, so they might get some traffic from people who Google this question.